Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Mazda 3 brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Make sure you have new brake pads and brake grease on hand. Park your Mazda 3 on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Before lifting the vehicle, loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you'll be working on. Once the car is safely lifted and the wheel is off, you can begin removing the old brake pads. Unbolt the 2 caliper guide pins, allowing you to swing the caliper assembly upwards. This will give you access to the old pads, which you can then carefully slide out of the caliper bracket. Take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for any deep grooves or uneven wear. Now it's time to install your new brake pads. Before inserting them, use a C-clamp to compress the caliper piston fully back into its bore. Apply a thin, even layer of brake grease to the backing plates of your new pads where they contact the caliper. Carefully slide the new pads into the caliper bracket, then lower the caliper assembly back into place and tighten the guide pins securely. With the new pads in, reinstall the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston. Check your brake fluid reservoir and add fluid if it's low. Finally, drive cautiously for the first 50 to 100 miles to properly bed in your new brake pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.